found our patch up on the heights. With PVC pipes and a dream so fine, we planted rows of spring onion lines. Morning sun peeks over the town. We tend our garden without a frown. Hand in hand, we're making it grow. Our rooftop oasis, just for us to know. Spring onion love in the city air. Green stems swaying with our every care. With the world below and the sky above, we're blooming strong. It's spring onion love. Neighbors wonder what's going on. We just smile and keep pressing on. Our little farm amidst the steel, it's where we live, it's what we feel. Watering cans and laughter flow. In each other's arms, we'll always know. Life in the hustle can still be sweet. On a rooftop garden, we find our beat. Spring onion love in the city air. Green stems swaying with our every care. With the world below and the sky above, we're blooming strong. It's spring onion love. Flow in each other's arms, we'll always know. Life in the hustle can still be sweet. On a rooftop garden, we find our beat. Spring onion love in the city air. Green stems swaying with our every care. We're blooming strong, it's spring onion love.
In the heart of the city, where the lights always shine, we made a little garden on that rooftop of mine. Vines and boxes, pots and pipes we made do. Found a way to grow spring onions under urban blue. You and me, we're city folks with a countryside dream. Turning old PVC pipes into garden streams. Every morning we'd water as the world buzzed below. In our sky-high oasis, love and greenery grow. Spring onions in the city, we're making life bloom. A love so rare in this concrete groove. Together we sow, rooftop garden, hand in hand. From seeds to stalks, watched them rise proud and tall, just like our love. Through summer and fall, neighbors on the street below, they'd smile and wave. City summer and fall. Neighbors on the street below, they smile and wave. City birds perch by, see the beauty we gain. Rain or shine, through seasons fast, we sit there together, let the moments last. Even when the world seems busy and gray, our rooftops spring onions brighten the day. Late evenings, we gaze at the stars in the sky, talk about dreams, watching night clouds drift by. In the city's heartbeat, found a harmony so sweet, of where the air feels fresher, where our heartbeats meet. Late evenings, we gaze at the stars in the sky, talk about dreams, watching night clouds drift by. In the city's heartbeat, found a harmony so sweet, of where the air feels fresher, where our heartbeats meet. In the heart of the city, where the streetlights gleam, we found our haven, a rooftop dream. With PVC pipes and a little dirt's grace, we grew spring onions in our special place. Up above the hustle, where the sirens cry, our garden flourishes beneath the open sky. Morning air sweet with dew, spring onions sprouting just for me and you. Spring onions and city lights, love grows stronger under moonlit nights. At our rooftop Eden we take flight, with you by my side, everything's just right. Neighbors laugh, say we're kinda strange, city folks farming, oh what a change. We don't mind in our little space, green onions grow, reflections of our grace. Summer sun and winter's chill, tending our garden makes the world stand still. These tender shoot a story we've sown in the cityscape, we've made a home. Spring onions and city lights, love grows stronger under moonlit nights. In our rooftop Eden we take flight, with you by my side, everything's just right. Summer sun and winter's chill, tending our garden makes the world stand still. Each tender shoot